Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Codex on macOS Terminal. First, open Terminal. Now press Command and Space, then type Terminal and open it. This is where you'll install the OpenAI Codex CLI. Before installing, check the requirements. Make sure you have Node.js installed by checking its version. Then check npm by verifying its version. If either is not installed, install Node.js first because Codex needs it. Next, install Codex by running the main installation command in Terminal. This will install Codex globally on your Mac. After the installation is complete, verify it by checking the version. If you see a version, the installation was successful. Now, connect your account. You can do an easy login, which is recommended. This opens a browser where you sign in with your account, and once done, it automatically connects your account. Alternatively, you can use your API key manually by setting it as an environment variable if you prefer manual setup. After connecting your account, go to your project folder in Terminal, then run Codex. Codex has different modes for advanced usage. You can run it in suggest mode to get ideas, auto edit mode to edit code automatically, or full auto mode to run commands automatically. These modes control how much power Codex has. Finally, you can update Codex anytime by running the upgrade command to make sure you have the latest version. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.